I can read phonics. Pete the cat rides the train. Book 9, Long I, by James Dean. Pete the cat is right on time. Pete loves to ride the train. He can't wait to see Grandma. Pete, Mom, and Bob sit side by side for the train ride. The conductor likes Pete. He invites Pete to ride by his side. Pete says hi to the engineer. The engineer drives the train. He drives inside a tunnel. Yikes! It is dark! But Pete is not frightened. Goodbye, says the engineer. Oh, Pete does not want the train ride to end. Grandma is right on time. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves Grandma even more.